How to remove link from Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove link from Instagram bio. In order to remove a link from Instagram bio, first thing first, make sure that you've updated your application. If not, head over to your Play Store, and after you open up a Play Store, on the search box type in Instagram. So after that, if you see update instead of open, which means that the app needs to be updated, and after updating the application, log in into your Instagram account. In order to remove a link from bio, it's very simple. So then to remove a link from Instagram bio, you'll need to go to your profile icon right at the bottom, and this is going to take you to the profile page. So as you can see right on top, this is my link. So you can see that youtube.com/shorts whatever. So that is actually a link. So in order to remove this, all you have to do is just tap on the edit profile button, and this is going to take you to the page where you'll be enabled to make changes with your profile information. So scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find links under it. So click on the link that is currently there. So tap on the link, and after that, if you want to remove this particular link, click on remove link. So if you're sure about it, then click on the remove link button once again, and this is gonna remove your link. So go back to your home screen, click on the tick icon right on top, as this is gonna save your changes. So as you can see that the link has been removed, and in this way you can remove your link from Instagram bio. Now that is how simple it is to remove a link from Instagram bio. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.